SynpicTV and Nayatsnase our Bakes and Co. Bakery shop. Sanso and I'm some for pa Acy China. Mesai mama akwaba eba ene jumedie so. Mesai me damasi say so far. My boy ama yakoso na yedi more discussions aba and more programs aba ewo SynpicTV so. Obetimi share ewo YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other social networks, Google Plus and Acy na mpa show. So we share your interviews ni bi ewo YouTube about modding na subscribe, like and share. Send your beya yebetimi edi more interviews and ase nkomo twetwe a emu pi na emu do na yakoso ani etimi edi abro. Me pa show say bibi nti na say be didn't like what we did our video mu a wotimi edo comments eba send your beya yebetimi enyi ache na ya correct your mistakes for the subsequent ones na yebeba beye enne enkomo twetwe no mene na ya Pokuaa oye sinichani ewo Ghana we yi sini ankasa ye akọ akire na ne sini twanso de eso ani eyefe na unya she is only one, there is none to be compared to her. The oye no woye no wasanso ye ni yi
Thank you for motivating me. The BM doctor seemed to recount. And so I'm quite sure. I'm who with it. I'm ready. And you want to see there's always a best step. If I
what anymore? Truly simple. Hey! La, won't if you me who ni baby say we are eh.
Mama na kwaba na mama onu ankasa ada ne ho adi a kire ye. Nana?
Yes dear.
Naya?
Yes dear.
SynpicTV ama akwaba.
Mejo so me dear.
Acy China.
Edina na wabo no Nana Yaa Pokuaa.
Okay.
But sini twam no edi ankofo di ni me Venza.
Venza.
Yeah, Venza.
Inti me na dada me no.
Oh, David.
Hey, say me call Venza say me no dada no.
Ba sho fa che me.
Me call Venza say menya wo Instagram, menya wo ba bia.
Ya so mketa. Ya so
mketa. Bad.
Ankofo ki kan ba shada yo.
Ankofo
ki kan ba tanya sa.
Na so de odia me crash say de ankofo ki kan.
Asa odi hu ewie meka bibia we che.
Ba che mfa ba bia mfa chi.
Ya
de ejiri nyina wa. We backstage bia ni mo.
Aba China ha kwa
from Acy China.
Acy China.
The ba China, the China crowding Nana Mayo.
Media mo ba China. O kwa na the we China.
That's akwaba. Empomu e. Who are you fair? To make up artist yama number 1. I would see you rather. I'm so jealous. If I should go on complimenting how you look, yeah, not just say interview you cry and find yourself you look superb.
Thank you.
Splendid.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm very.
I'm very.
Who
fan now? Who for? Who time now? Who time?
That's it.
Hey, sir.
Oh yeah, you look so okay. Wow.
Okay, me pa show obasi ni twemu. Give us a little bit about yourself, educational background and other things.
Many about me that say mama akunya way. Nana Yaa Basi ni twem so far I say menya 5 years. Okay. Yeah. And ejuma no and some bebre ni wo mu. Emu adin die but still I pim ko yanim. Enye easy sir. Enye send the comfort ehu abontin no enye sanity. But me gidi ese bibia no say e ade a wo pe na so du hushima o ma wa ba mu mbu. Wo be ko akọ anim. Nana Yaa obi a semi kaniya medication background dey bibinti no mantimi ansha da anko enrich kakabat naka me wish say nka metimi graduate but school ni mu na nsem bebresi me ma me be wuye me papa be wuye nti no e ma me drop e enti hodie I think say manko enjoy chikakra yeah Bami Kobe.
But Ceciano, I don't know. Me sure say education counts that much.
Oh no.
It's about the way you carry yourself and bringing out your passion.
It's true. It's about you. It's about you.
And the passion. If you have the passion for what you do, you do it and go higher. I mean, person may be a ding, but I know one actress be on one account say one can do baby, but mission pen so I would do maybe a walk on now. Let's just say it's about bringing what you have. It's not about education.
Yeah, and now can know you know sanity and so one ma sadene mbu abema obetimi akọ yeah you can go far. Sometimes you do baby I am not a education they will be and education is good but and not just a one going to baby no that one day and
to our perception say be say shame on you
no any person would show me say me uncle school me will be I mean to me no very just also my woman so to me yipi mo be who say no this is what you want like what person what I say and you know member education no and I say my uncle and rich into no woman ebu abem dabi and dear me too be for say oh person we now work passion for to be our person you be there just do it and me jidi is enyanko point we do it
and then come out to train jumaku a omo so ya sene e de ebro no e Bakes and Co bakery they are omo ube locate omo e wo +2 and chain Kumasi before you get to the Santasi runabout no +2 bar no and chain they have all kinds of bakeries omo bakeries nyina bi omo soft drink omo BBAB ewo bibi omo alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages nano omo planning events so into no person we events bi na wo frɛ ma from ewo numbers na egu screen animu no na enu omo endidi nkomo na womo emma event no enye krabehwe sanso na Synpic origin production so na so yasne eme discussion we ebro womo production house bia womo cover every event bia wo person we womo high all kinds of equipment bia di cover event sanso na womo anga sanso etimicha senene music videos and other short videos commercials online video ads bibia wo person we bia no womo ebetimi ayenti no frɛ womo so pe quality of quality a ebema wade na wo ye no ademu sonko na aye krabehwe de a Mr. First number na egu screen anim no na frɛ Synpic origin production house na enu omo entwetwe nkomo na bibia ebe kofan
ti wono ma mihu wa mi kwa mi jogi bi di wachi asem kire se me yada na wo
enti na na se me panipa no wanka sabde kwa hu mi kra na wo pemi age me number krampo mama uda mama o chance nimpo na wadanfo wono no so wa win me ha already yakofo ne boy sabo mo kasa
boy na no me homeboy me nti say nti attitude na wo ye na de wo ye no wo se wa ma na awura mo pi be for kra
be ma ja wo ye no wo ya wo so me bufuo so ati ase ni pa me hunu kra se bi me hunu mpo wono so wa win me ama se bi wo so wa je bi aha na sa boy ni me ni but me nyi ni se wo ye obi a se bi ni class enemy so ati ase
fine you better why come on so Nana
yes dear
we were talking about shame onto whoever obeka say ono de one school and rate so talent you call obeka na share it is really bad
very bad
nampacho also best ni train mo be 5 years ni who introduced you into the movie industry I think you do only movies, right?
I do movies, I do short movies and series and music videos. Oh yeah, and commercials.
Okay.
Yeah. Nipa we introduced me to movie industry. Me ankasa minya bema director.
Okay.
I friend Batman and more industry me dey obi anim say director Batman we minya bema. Yeah, ono na o introduce me ankasa na ye adwuma manage ho. Yeah, na adwuma manage ho pa na me ka kire no so okay. Aden say if say me we ni ko ade ayenhwe and ampani ampa me de me hu hye mu nso no me nu me hu say me de me hu hye si ni twem no manage and baby am pese me ko dukra no me nye nduye me bom pa ise yakopon be bo me ama ma pima ko mani adwuma me nu me hu say me de me hu hye
o say baby a opeso okodu no kra undruye
no
say a hemfa no wadu say
so far no ye ba kakra me ba and also Juma de Sabi Penfosi, yeah, Juma Koyanim, yeah, Juma Koya, sanity, and they will say, and Kodina was a meeting than Echo and Kodin. Because a Juma Reno, a challenge, like mechanical challenge is very in the womb, and the meeting beyond, I was so pushy. I was so pushy who could say, oh, okay, now, no, say now, I'm pressing me and Uncle my doom. Let's
say, and would say, baby, our person will come union, but oh, quiet, so where drew baby? Where do you want to reach?
And it's met me, I say so, Yankopon meaning say, baby, I'm semi could do me, meaning baby, I'm a person me could do. And I make us see a fan, and I will be home. Also, what I say, some catch us is here, oh, they be means even got some person you could do a crime, my father could do a crime, it means to us on going. Meaning, Miss Cratching, who so to cry quabutra, like over 4 years, you know. I know you're me Raji, and
I think, says, in Obia or trust Nibia, which is so Becca Hollywood.
Yes.
One kind of prize, guys who drew a crowd, organize a crowd in Ghana. I can't wait to order that you act movies in Accra, and I say, we are not. I didn't grant a anyway, we'll come to that. I can't wear a movie in the Accra, you know, what is all this?
No, not a fatu bin a me, say, oh,
Hollywood.
And me dream, no, you're vampire,
Bibian Yame, yes, and the fact that oh, my Bibian can win share now, Coco and Ness, oh, yeah. I could do. It's a say I didn't say I quite to say we have you have to be bidding Kumawood and Gallywood.
Yeah.
What is the name for Ghana movie industry? I mean Ghana, not some regions. Ghana movie industry, say.
I think it's Ghana. Isn't it Gallywood?
Gallywood,
yeah.
Right?
Gallywood. It's like.
So, I didn't someone I'm watching more. Said then I didn't say
question we know your question dear. I know you near day, but near me a crank of 4 can like my friends be a name may support like my fans be almost say the entire almost afraid Kumawood, you know. HSA you can't your local language. And it's like for Kumawood. Yenya catchy. Kakanko for a car, I'm Martin. Aye, but me not sure say, be I nunti by and go for an account. Me, I don't know. So, question with you, my dear.
Many so be answered to me.
No,
it's a mystery.
Very, very, very mystery. Like, I don't know.
Because, sir, I won't see a bit to me anymore. I think togetherness, ever bomb yet to me anymore. Nasi ejina ho say Gallywood ne Kumawood wa brass ni ankasa Ghana se ne yefre no Gallywood dia. Then what is all this energy? So I think everywhere in Ghana you can see broni bia ba krom ho akasa obi kensia echi very good ntino we should even see say ene yempo say kasa Ghana fa na nyina obi etimi ka no ye dey simi trust ne. Oh, and proudly, you did trust in it. Sanka, Mutsumukra, Emma, she Cassane more. I think Sanka Gama Sinibek.
Yeah, Mincho and Minia, Senya Wokano. Like as some Nankasano, sometimes you do baby. No, so you man on penny for baby, then you womb. And I think Sanka and Penifono, me the Madrio, Penifon bet see me. I can't want boom. Oh, my who say, me whom in your one kind, interest in there. And yes, when you mean because I mean, you must me chuck me.
Is there that kills?
Oh, yeah,
confusion you.
I think, sir, because of you who say, oh, this is Kumawood for Kumawood.
What is the meaning of this? Is
I don't get it. Mean Tassi and Cassa, but Sadiana, me who say, a shay tima, ain't me ma a Juman, and me make beans and cut now. They were saying in a kaboom, because a Juman will be an for now, Jumani a day, up from. Juma number form and yen here in young kabum. See betting your kabum nating
I'm ready a chomocono. Now I told you so, Nisika soon sumi those kind of movies, and I know one more rainy. A new baby and a Nigerian movie, Eba and Ebema or Motsekoda Koye. By the grace of God, by the special grace of God, no, and Ghana movie, Sambe Peja Precope. it was really going for Emma Nigeria for Kraso, do almost movies, share, so. Oh, but as at now, it has gone down again.
And she wanted to see a party. Minia, say, I say, Jumono, you didn't quite cancer my Ejumana Wafo. And Ubia, which I seen here, found so Kumawood, and I say, also, ye Gaywood.
I don't even want to hear that.
Yeah, I say, I'm a maca, and like mechanics, mechanics, see, and Ubia, which I seen Ibia or Ghana has said, me say, Jumano, Abba from. Ejumana from cry, Ejumana from because you had that 2-3 years or 5 years now. No Ejumani was shop and you walk and and then 2-3 years Ejumani they say me kai so be quite in casa me to CD. No. Obi confirm to CD. Then the last time I will be see my to CD ka ko CD. Dabi. So producer the music about be share ejumemu. Na se bi CD and to me sure say.
No why should you
no. How necessary I say penifoni na etimi e kabom na ye she na ye hu kwan dey adwuma ni be fa so because ye adwuma say be adwuma kase pa
it's a good
good and like e bo ankofo bebre nso ankofo bebre a benefit wo adwuma we mu a che say winya
no I know I get you what you're saying
and somehow I was some penifoni na etimi as almost much money science review. Najidis are debia and Kabomuno here.
Of course, prior we back on a boom, paying nebu, Baukaboma. Prior we back on a boo Kabomusua, a mo, and a boon said them crown or meeting the meeting one your crown, one cassa, Webunsa. Sympic origin and a soya sname the ne discussion and as some common a basam come in Minia bar. My own sister Nana Yaa Pokuaa or Acy China ewo Ghana or say wo preso e dia ko Hollywood or no enne mene no echicha enkomo intino ye to ankomo no so na yetie mo Nana
yes dear
asaba wo me nkomo
ejana so
intini ye ka se Acy no enkabom bemu a ebegina say and come no sure and starting through which level then go which level
Mejidi say adebia no penifo wo it's in the media me mpa ibo nyina ne say penifo no so munim say adwuma ne say adwuma na ba form some penifo ni ho ayen kola yi ni ho
of course
yes intino me slam penifo no say omo be timi aka omo ho abom na be bia adwuma no e hu say etosini no intimi enhye hokina na yem pije adwuma no na adwuma ne san brabru kakra metimi aka penifo na no I say ano senka bana nka senka Ghana sini no nke kosro nke ni kwa senka eba e form same David because baby ayakudu no it's no me mpa ibonya ni sempe for be share na o mantini asama ejuma no about
ma me read Facebook messages kakra na yemfa enkomo nto aso menya message braku from Louis Amano say you are doing a great job, keep it up. Yeah, that's Nana Louis, yeah, that's why you will definitely keep it up. And Bakunsu say, hey, Nana Wusu, or say, hey, Sister Acy China, obey the Empacho, link me up. Why? Me Pacho, Menyan and Sia one from him. Some link here, into the show. Hold on. And now, Mr. Franco Wusu from, Mr. Frank, or also say, Mimbisa say. Me manin to anasa mimbisa Nana Yaa say Nana ayanyamiara one didn't say to see one see the also
wow what you also be some say
or them say one inside also ya ka so say azara
obis also one inside
who is having that fourth finger on your
oh my god
on your left
me pacho ma Mr. Frank and Tima me say Mr. Frank go bia me pacho me nwawe ne mom obinsa dawiso because yeah
obinsa dawiso mo category so ebi ani akotu tinsa ebi ana
that be into meetings and
but you are in a serious relationship.
Something like that.
You are hey. You embrace something like that. Oh.
Oh my God. Passion say me who no back door, you know.
Of course, you can't find him anywhere. Maybe Facebook.
And me catch you.
There be say oh, see me show for me answer man and me family.
Answer need to say, see my warrior na me.
Or see me Mr. say. Obinsa are you in any warrior na?
No.
And I will say there be warrior. Na obi wo ho there mama, obi wo ho de obi etim wo ho.
Sa.
Nti no hwan na wo ho.
Oh, when you call there, one say a higher quality, you know, and send me her, you know. Yeah, me to me, Bobby Kawa say.
You shouldn't have. You want a private life, Biao. You are a movie star.
I have private life.
Oh, this one is not private now.
No,
you should be proud of your whoever is at the corner. Oh,
that one, yes. Oh my God.
I'm saying, if I cross and send a message, hey, Nana Kasa, you na me she. When I miss you, you make him be you know, she's open.
I didn't need me patch for can say,
but
for security reason, being
okay.
To me
answer from your heart.
Oh yeah, and meanwhile we are there, but I'm going now.
And you are about to get married to some special man.
Yeah, that one day. Yeah.
Okay, SynpicTV at the 4 and Komana wa. Ye di see her. Na ya to next week. Your best friend sister Nana Yaa Pokuaa, movie actress, the famous movie actress or Ghana. Your best to you didn't come to channel so next week. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Say who adverts been so episode to swa. You are warmly welcome. We understand say obi a watching adwuma se kakra bia no was say otimi bo ho de wura no ntino our prices for advertisement no very very low obetimi etua. Let's get in touch next week with the same Nana Yaa Pokuaa, movie actress in Ghana.
Oh, unia na
Arantie, when I was so worry me no. When I was so worry me no. Are you gonna worry me? What you also by enemy? Shall I them crossing it sound? After me new one time, maintain one count of our own. Yes, buy an house now you over some cross for my Anna. What would I want it? You went out, what's me out with me? Home, what's me out with me? I will go what's me out with me. What's me out with me? What would I crossing if I'm bother you. Who will do that? I'm cool.
Hey, chill. Don't be.
Don't be that. When you crossing the car, we got to shut down them. Shut down them. Crossing you, what's your me? What's your me? Foolish boy like you, idiot. Stupid boy.
No.
What's your son worrying me?
We cry.
What's saying me? Crossing me. Show them. I'll be like, what's saying me?
Next time, we will move your.
Honey, so young power.
When the next time you show up, how about the